In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable purchase orders and custom fields in QuickBooks Online. We'll start by turning on purchase orders, then we'll set up custom fields so you can capture extra information that matters to your business. Follow along in your own QuickBooks account if you can, and pause the video whenever you need to. First, let's enable purchase orders. From anywhere in QuickBooks Online, look towards the top right of your screen and click the gear icon. This is your main settings area, where you control how your company file behaves. From the menu that appears, choose Account and Settings. This will open a new window with several tabs on the left-hand side. On the left, click the Expenses tab. This is where you control how bills, purchase orders, and other expense-related features work. Once you're in the Expenses section, scroll until you see the Purchase Orders area. On the right-hand side of that row, click the small edit icon. This will let you turn the feature on. Now, find the option that says Use Purchase Orders and switch it on. When this is enabled, you'll be able to create and track purchase orders directly in QuickBooks, which is especially helpful if you want to manage what you've ordered from vendors before the actual bill arrives. After turning it on, click Save to apply the change, and then click Done at the bottom of the window to close your settings. Purchase orders are now active in your company file. Next, let's set up custom fields so you can add extra details to your purchase orders. Again, start by clicking the gear icon in the top right. This time, under the section labeled either Your Company or Lists, select Custom Fields. This is where you can create fields that don't exist by default in QuickBooks, like project codes, internal approvals, or any tracking details that are specific to your workflow. Click Add Field or Add Custom Field, depending on what you see. A new panel will open where you can define this field. Type in a clear, descriptive name for your custom field so everyone on your team understands what it's for. Next, look for the Select Forms section. Here, you'll see a list of form types that can use this field. Make sure you check the box for purchase order so the field appears when you're creating or editing purchase orders. If you want this information to show up on printed or emailed purchase orders that you send to vendors, turn on the Print on Form toggle. If you prefer it to be internal only, you can leave that off. When you're satisfied with your setup, click Save. That's it. You've now enabled purchase orders and created custom fields for them in QuickBooks Online, giving you more control and better tracking over your purchasing process.